Alright guys, so the minelab cheapo metal detector came today. Ordered it from Amazon. You get most of this stuff from Amazon. So using a trusty box opening knife here. I like this one because it should tell us what coin or what we'll find before digging. So it is the x-terra intrepid metal detector right here. First special offer, go to minelab.com and intrepid offer. Looks like some free gloves. So we will definitely have to do that. There is a QR code at the top. Easy to use. This is our first experience with minelab. So we are very excited, me and my son Anderson. Anderson, you want to come say hi? Yeah. This is kind of his hobby. He likes finding silver coins. He's a big silver collector, gold collector. And we usually go around trying to find whatever we can. Either Walmart coin stars, digging in the backyard. We found a sterling silver knife, to hunting around town. Sorry, I got the hiccups today. Pretty excited that this came. So, it should give us the number right here. He's been watching YouTube videos all day on how to use these guys, the x-terras. And so let's see what we have here in the box. All right. We have the pulls.
The goodies. Oh, and it came with a free battery.
Yes, it comes with the battery. It is a 9-volt battery. Minelab is supposed to be one of the best metal detectors there is.
Minelab's and Garrett's.
Yes. So, we will be trying out a Garrett sometime once we can afford one. Hopefully your support will help. Alright.
Ooh, that's the goodies.
Yep, here is the control panel. Can you open the instructions, Anderson?
It's the user manual.
Yes.
It'll tell you.
Alright, let's see.
86,
assembly.
86 is a big thing. That is an assembly.
Operation. You're going to have to read all this.
I know.
Target identification number 1 through 30 is iron, 31 to 55, 5 cents nickels, small coins, fine jewelry, foil. 56 to 85, mid-size coin, pull tabs, jewelry. Oh, these hiccups. I've had them all day. And then 86 to 99, large coins, silver coins, US 25 cents, silver coins, US 50 cents. That's what we'll be aiming for. Try to find some of those silvers.
Yeah, I think these two we should be aiming for.
Alright. Troubleshooting. Let's see once it gives a part breakdown. Here is assembly. So you assemble the shafts.
Bunch of stuff in here for the minelab.
Yes. Can you hold this, Anderson? We are very excited. This is our first minelab that we have dealt with. We will have to pick up everything.
Two 9 volts.
Two 9-volt batteries. Ooh, sorry, bud.
It's completely fine. You just barely tapped me. Put together one so No one knows how it'll do.
Yeah, we have not put together one of these yet, so.
Never put together a metal detector, have we?
Yes.
Okay, we have.
This is a handheld grip. This right here is for the shaft. I do apologize once again for the hiccups. I've been fighting them all day. We're just very excited to get this open out for you guys. And we'll probably go out later tonight, try it out, and then I'll do a nice video. Can you go back to the assembly page, Anderson?
Yes, assembly. Let's see here. Assembly. This dude.
One thing I learned with the bounty hunters, don't over tighten anything or these little plastic bolts will break.
Snap and break, yeah.
Okay, can you be careful? Can you move that box and sit down over there, Anderson? If I'm doing anything wrong here, or you guys have any advice, please post it in the comments. Because we are new at this. Very, very new. If you can't tell, I've only really done the Harbor Freight and the Bounty Hunter and the Vivor metal detector. So this is the most expensive metal detector I bought to date. Highest quality also. I know these plastic bolts are hard to come by. Actually, on one of the bounty hunters that somebody walked off with, we use zip ties to fix it, because if you use a metal bolt, it'll just keep going off. I had to find that out. So can you turn it back to the assembly page one more time, Anderson? Alright, thank you.
What are these for?
I think those are extra rubber washers. Oh, there's supposed to be one on each end. So let's take this back off.
Yeah, I wasn't sure.
If not, it'll drop down. So make sure you put both rubber washers on. And if you like our channel, please go to our channel, subscribe, support us. Click on the link below to purchase anything that you're interested in. Even just clicking on it kind of helps. Hopefully I can get an affiliate program with one of the metal detectors.
Have you changed my dirt bike?
Ava, I have the battery charging at the moment. Okay, honey?
Okay. Have you changed it?
No, I have the battery charging at the moment. Okay?
Okay.
So,
What?
it does have one washer right there ready, but it says
I'm not gonna go.
to place both washers. Ava, can you go inside?
Yeah.
Thank you, honey. Once it is ready, I will get you out and we will get your dirt bike out. My daughter loves her dirt bikes, her scooters, her motorcycles.
I don't have motorcycles.
She does not have a motorcycle yet. She loves them though. One sits inside there, one on each side. I really don't want to mess this up.
You don't want to break this. It's very important.
Yes. Have you been waiting for this day, Anderson?
Yep, totally.
Okay, now the head stays in position with those washers. Make sure you add on those rubber washers. I do not want to over tighten it. And we'll put in the batteries. We unwrap the batteries. Oh, are they wrapped up pretty good?
Oh,
And the batteries go into the back of the screen here. X-terra, intrepid. This is kind of for beginners and children, so perfect for us. I can size it down for Anderson here, and then I can also size it back up for myself. At first I will probably be using it, and then once I know what to look for, he will be using it. Looks like it has like a pinpoint mode, sort of like the Vivor. I do love my Vivor one. Anderson, he loves my Bounty Hunter. I'd say both are about equal. There you go. Got some fingernails. And I also have on my silver bracelet that I got for 50 cents, 1.3 ounces of sterling silver. Got it for 50 cents. That was a heck of a steal. There's an antique store closing, and kind of a silver fanatic since my son got into it. So I look at everything, and if it's got a silver stamp on it, I pick it up. I got a whole box full of silverware that I picked up at the thrift store. Hey Anderson, can you sit down, buddy? Thank you. I don't want you right in front.
Yeah, I don't want to block anything.
Make sure these are in right. It does have the headphone jack. I'd say simple to set up. Very, very simple to set up already. Oh, it is on. So we have it going. It is showing for the mower. Handle 24. That's C1s. Hey, Anderson.
Yeah.
You want to hold it? Show the audience kind of what the screen looks like.
This is what the screen looks like.
What is the number showing?
74.75. Jewelry and mid coin size coins.
Alright, so that is my bracelet.
And
so it does work. So we'll take it out. We'll do a test tonight. And then we'll do a nice video on us using it for you guys. So thank you for watching. The setup is complete. And go to Amazon, click the link. Please subscribe to my channel. Help support me. Help support my family. I know times are tough for everyone right now. And hopefully we find some good finds with this new minelab. It's supposed to be the best of the best. And we're going to give it a try, and we'll probably pick up a Garrett eventually once I get enough views on this guy, and we will give the Garrett a try and do a comparison video. Thank you guys very much. Hit subscribe, and click the link if you are interested. You have a wonderful day.